So today is the first day that we're taking a kayak out. I'm super pumped on that. I bought a Diablo Amigo kayak from a buddy of mine for like 500 bucks. We're gonna get some good fishing in on this thing. So I drove down to San Marcos because I want to fish these spots that I could see from the bank that I could never get to. Spots that I just knew I was like, there are big fish there. So we're gonna hit those. We're gonna float up and down the river. We're just gonna mess around all day, but we ought to have some good luck. I got plenty of bait for catfish, plenty of lures for bass. As far as the channel goes, thank y'all for watching. Share, like, subscribe if y'all can. This is kind of like my main hobby that I do. I work full time, but besides that, when I'm not working, I'm out fishing. Like this morning, I think it's about 5:45 right now, 6. I don't want to miss that window of opportunity with this bite. So got down here early and still pretty dark, but we're gonna have some good luck. Hope everybody's enjoying the channel. Stay safe out there, tight lines, enjoy. Alright y'all, so we already got the boat down here. Got the car up there. Got our dry box, got all our gear, man. Stoked. Came with a layer chair, but I put my cooler on here. Man, at some point we're gonna get a bass. Have to, man. Covering all this water. I got one. Not as big as I thought, but not bad. Check him out, he's nice. Throw this guy back. Well, we didn't catch like tons of bass, but we caught one. Not too bad. Some days are just slow. So we're headed out. Spent a good 3 hours out here. Only caught one fish. Little tiny bass, but man, it was great to be out here. This kayak is a great kayak. I'm sure a lot of other kayaks this size are similar, but very easy to stand up on, cast, everything, man. Very stable. But the bite's just slow sometimes, man. I just want to thank you all for watching. Hope y'all enjoy it. Hope y'all are having a good start to the summer. It's gonna be good. Enjoy. Stay safe out there. Keep watching. Enjoying life.